Wow. Ang sarap ng hangin dito, guys. At Station 12. Yan. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ma-in love sa nature. Sa nature! Hindi sa relationship. Sarap ma-in love sa nature, guys. Not in a relationship. Buwa lang. Buwa lang. Ang sarap nga dito. Station 12. So really, sa lugar ni Papa Jesus, talagang ganito yung, parang ginaya nila, no? Ganito talaga yung uphill, downhill, and then, wow. It's nice. Ang galing naman ang gumawa nito. Thank you so much. Credit to the owner of this place. Centuries again in Calubian. Barangay, ano to? Barangay Obispo, Calubian, Leyte. Thank you so much to this opportunity of me being here and able to vlog this place. Nice place. And the compassion of Jesus Christ here at Barangay Obispo, Calubian, Leyte. Again, welcome. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Please like my vlog.